Friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will start from the top plane. So we will select the exit plane, rotate the view. Here take the line command and make one line here, one line here, and like this. Escape. Go to line command once again, make one profile here and like this and escape. We have made the rough sketch first. Go to dimension, define this height here as 50 mm. Okay, now we'll define the other dimensions. From this center point, define this length as 25 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and here select the center. Okay, now here go to dimension again, select this point and select the center point. So this dimension here will be of 20 mm. Okay, now here we'll define the angle. So angle here will be of 30 degree and the angle between these two lines will be 135 degree. Okay, now here escape. We'll define the below length. First we'll drag this inside and drag this. Okay, now go to arc command and take 3-point arc. Select this point and select this point and make an arc. Okay, escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select the center. Now here go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this profile. Okay, go to dimension. Here from this end, the center point will be at a distance of 72.5 mm. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now here go to circle command and make one circle here of diameter 8 mm and escape. Now we will give the radius at edges also. So for that, go to fillet. Take here fillet of 7.5 mm. Select this corner. Okay, escape. It is moving the sketch. Okay, go to fillet once again. Select this, then select this, then select this, and then select this. Okay, if we don't select the corners properly, then the sketch will move automatically. Okay, now go to circle command. At this center points, make circle of dia 8. Similarly, at this center point, dia 8, and at this center point, dia 8. Okay, now finish sketch. Take extrude, select this profile, and here we'll define the height as 6 mm. Here double click this or select this, and if I want to fill any profile, go to profile and select this profile. Okay, so this will be hidden. Press OK. Now go to home view. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command, select the center point and make here a circle of dia 30. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we'll take extrude of 40 mm. Okay, it will be a joining profile and press OK. Now here we'll go to part 3. We'll make this profile also. Go to part 2 once again. Go to origin. We'll select here the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch once again. Take rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. We'll start from this end. Okay. Now here go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Okay, we are going to take horizontal constraint here, select the center and select this center. Go to dimension and here the dimension will be of 16 mm and the height from the base will be at 21 mm. Okay, now go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point and select this point and make a arc profile. Finish sketch, go to extrude, select both the profiles, and here we are going to take distance of 22.5 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now we are going to make the cut profiles. Select this top, go to create sketch, take the point command and place one point at center. Finish sketch. Okay, go to 3D model, take hole command, and here we are going to take counter bore. Hole will be simple plane. Okay, and the sheet will be counter bore. This will be a through hole and the direction will be towards bottom. The dia of C bore will be of 20 mm and the depth here will be of 8 mm and the bottom hole will be of 15 mm. Okay, and press OK. Okay, now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point. Select the center point, make a dia here of 8 mm, finish sketch, take extrude, flip direction to cut, and here when I rotate this will be a cut of 22.5 mm and press OK. Go to home view. Okay, now we are almost complete. Now go to fillet. We are going to take fillet radius of 2 mm. Select this edge, select this edge, select this profile, rotate and select this edge. Rotate once again and press OK. Okay, now from here we'll define the color or the appearance, you can say. So here you can take any, and this caded blue you can take. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.